How to set up a business account with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you ready to open a business account at Truist? Well, in today's video, I'll walk you through how you can set up a new business account with Truist. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here, on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to scroll through and just click on the business account and there you just have to first pick the right account like business checkings, savings or the specialized account like a merchant or interest bearing account and match the account to your business size and cash flow. And with that you need a business document vary by business types plus owner ID. And there you also need the driver license, social security number and DVA if using a trade name. And there you also need different articles of the organization, operating agreement, employer identification number, and if you don't have an employer identification number, you can apply online at IRS before you go. And many business accounts require it. And with that, you can usually start online at Truist.com. And for more complex entities or to speed verification, you can visit a local branch or bring original of all your documents to that branch. And there you just have to fill in the business details like employer identification number, ownership info, and list of authorized signers. And for online setups, you may need to upload PDFs and photos of your document. And there you just have to fund the account with the required opening deposit, and amount may vary by the account type. And while signing up, enable online banking and set up bill pay or order checks and add debit or credit card access. And with that, at last you need to review disclosures, e-sign agreements and wait for the bank verification. And Twist may ask you for extra document or identity verification, so check your email or secure messages. And with that, you can add additional users, set permissions, enable two-factor authentication, and set card controls for employees if needed. And if you accept cards or run payroll, then you can sign up for Truist Merchant Services and link payroll or payment processor to avoid interruption. And with that, you can confirm the account appearance in online banking and save copies of all signed documents and file the original with your business records. And that's it. That's how you can set up business account with Twist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.